On average, before we had 300 to 400 tardy check-ins per day now, because we're down to like 150 to 200 a day. So we're getting there. And that's because of Minga and because of the policies that we put in place. So the biggest reason we even looked to Minga was because of attendance. We had a program that was called Hero. Hero was it was a check-in thing, but it gave you a physical thing and you took that and you went to class. We used to have a line out the door. When I was a house principal there, like before we started with Minga, we had paper passes. There was a line out the door at the attendance center for 30 minutes. And then also kids missing instructional time for 30 minutes. We said is if a kid is tardy, obviously they're gonna go to the tardy kiosk, they're gonna get a tardy pass. It's gonna show up on my class. You can then let them in. They don't have to touch it. They don't have to go back to their computer. They don't have to enter it in and change it in our SIS. We have attendance clerks that do that. And so we have 4 attendance clerks on campus. And what they do after 15 minutes of class time is they download the Minga report of all the tardies. And then they go back and they change all the attendance to tardy.